Hi, I'm the little prince. I came back to Earth and tried to see and discover everywhere. I am in Tehran now. I am the little prince of Persia. Let's go. Minaee Museum House is one of the houses adjacent to Valiasr Street, which has Qajar architecture. Minaee Museum House is a museum that depicts the history of Valiasr Street in Tehran. Valiasr Street is the longest street planted with trees in the Middle East, which is 18 kilometers. The old name of this street was Pahlavi and it connected the railway station to Tajrish Square. This avenue was opened in 1939 with 18,000 sycamore trees. But today it has reached 8,000 plantain trees. In this street, there are two main parks of the city, Mellat Park and Saee Park. Also, there are all kinds of traditional shopping malls, radio stations, and Marmar Palace in this street. In 1972, by the order of Queen Farah Pahlavi, City Theatre was built for theatre lovers and artists, which became the most important theatre salon in Tehran. The architecture of the City Theatre building is inspired by Persepolis and Toghrol Tower. Due to the movement of artists in this area, you will find many cafes in the surrounding streets. Many famous Iranian artists also moved to Valiasr Street due to its proximity to the City Theatre and cafes that have become artists' hangouts. In general, Valiasr Street is a strange combination of everything.